Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, July 28th. More rain is headed to the I-95 corridor region. It looks like the heaviest rain will fall in an area from D.C. across the Delmarva Peninsula, southern New Jersey to the southern part of the Philly metro region. New York City will be on the to the north of the heaviest rainfall axis. Again, it looks like the heaviest rainfall, which should occur overnight tonight into Saturday morning, will take place across southern Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, Delmarva Peninsula, and the D.C. metro region, south of the New York City metro area. A low-pressure system will develop along a stalled-out frontal boundary zone, push to the mid-Atlantic coastline, and it looks like it will push off the coastline quick enough to salvage the second half of the week. And Sunday looks like it'll turn out to be a pretty decent day, even down along the coastline, with the return of some sunshine. And with that sunshine returning, temperatures will jump to near 80 degrees for highs by Sunday afternoon. And that'll follow a cool day on Saturday with a stiff low-level northeast breeze. High temperatures on Saturday in the I-95 corridor look like they'll hold in the lower 70s. Here's the latest forecast by the NOAA team for this upcoming event. And again, the heaviest axis of precipitation looks like it'll be right across the southern part of Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, and across southward to the D.C. metro region, Delmarva Peninsula. Looks like could be 2, 3, even 4 inches of rain in that zone. Again, the heaviest rain will stay to the south of the New York City metro region. The focus in terms of the timetable, tonight into tomorrow morning. Again, the heaviest rain looks like it'll occur in the overnight hours into Saturday morning. Intermittent showers certainly can continue Saturday afternoon and night, but the heaviest time period looks like overnight tonight into Saturday morning. Well, here's a look at the current radar. Not all that much activity right now in the I-95 corridor region, but showers and embedded thunderstorms are starting to form to our southwest. This area will expand in coverage over the next several hours as that upper level wave of energy that we've been talking about slides southeastward across the Great Lakes and towards the northeast U.S. So again, coverage should intensify and expand in this particular region over the next few hours, and showers and thunderstorms should move in to the I-95 corridor region late today, early tonight, from the southwest to the northeast. Well, let's take a look at last night's 6E GFS model run. These are 6-hour increments. We're beginning with this morning, Friday morning, and here's that wave of energy in the upper part of the atmosphere. It is sliding across the Great Lakes region today, headed towards the Mid-Atlantic region. Let's move ahead in 6-hour increments. By tonight, pretty deep upper-level low starting to form over the Mid-Atlantic region. It will not, however, close off, and that will keep this system progressive. That will result in much improvement come Sunday. In fact, the heaviest rainfall, again, looks like it'll be tonight into tomorrow morning. A lessening of the rain tomorrow afternoon and evening. There certainly can be some residual showers tomorrow afternoon and evening, but the primary focus of the heavy rain should be overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Let's keep pushing forward here. By tomorrow morning, vigorous upper level low over the Mid-Atlantic region. But you notice as we push ahead, it does not cut off or close off. It continues to progress. In fact, it dives to the south and southeast, and this will allow much improvement in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City metro regions for the day on Sunday. And finally, by the time Sunday night and early Monday rolls around, it's to our south and east, and we'll have pretty nice weather, looks like, for Monday and Tuesday, following a decent day on Sunday here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, let's now walk through the surface forecast maps from last night's 06E GFS model run, again in 6-hour increments. High pressure anchored to the north and northwest, kind of like a banana-shaped high that we sometimes see in the wintertime associated with coastal storms. And indeed, this will turn out to be a coastal storm. Here's some low pressure starting to form along the frontal boundary zone that stalled out a couple of days ago. And here the heavy rain starts to show up here by late in the afternoon, early tonight. It'll push into the DC metro region first and then slide to the north and east. Again, the heaviest rainfall from this upcoming system will stay south of the New York City region. Looks like the most likely area for the heaviest rainfall amounts will extend from southern and central New Jersey across southern Pennsylvania and then southward to DC and the Delmarva Peninsula. Let's keep pushing forward here. And here, heavy rain in the overnight hours, especially near and just south of the Mason-Dixon line. But again, should be some decent rainfall into at least the southern half of the Philly metro region. And then low pressure sits off the mid-Atlantic or just along the mid-Atlantic coastline by the time tomorrow morning rolls around. And again, the heaviest rain looks like it'll be tonight into tomorrow morning, and then just some intermittent showers tomorrow afternoon. There'll be a noticeable cool down, a noticeable northeast wind in the lower levels of the atmosphere. Because of that flow off the ocean, typical of a nor'easter type of system, temperatures tomorrow will be confined to the 70s, probably the low 70s in most areas, even down into the DC metro region for highs. And that follows a high this afternoon of 80, 81, 82 degrees. Then that low pressure area should push off the coast by Sunday morning. High pressure starts to edge in. We'll have the return of sunshine, and this time of the year, anytime sunshine returns, it'll boost temperatures compared to a cloudy day. So expect upper 70s, perhaps even the flirtation with the 80-degree mark Sunday afternoon in the I-95 corridor. A decent day on Sunday to close out the weekend. So again, rain is headed towards the I-95 corridor. It looks like the heaviest of the rainfall will occur tonight into tomorrow morning, and the heaviest rainfall amount should end up being across southern Pennsylvania, the southern part of the Philly metro region, southern New Jersey, the Delmarva Peninsula, all the way to the DC metro region. And in that heaviest rainfall zone, there can be 2, 3, perhaps even 4 inches on localized in localized areas over the next 24 hours or so. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist